Looking at my oldest content, I used default uploads. So now that my channel is close to monetization, I have to go back and re-optimize all these videos. And you can see the default tag that I used. Do you love cats, dogs, animals, all pets, etc.? So I used this for almost 500 videos. So now I have to go back and re-optimize every video. So you have to be careful if you're going to use defaults and understand that you have to go back and re-optimize the metadata to be more specific to the video. And I have to go back and do all my videos. So don't make the same mistake I did.